Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS IAM for internal dashboards, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service by searching for IAM in the search bar. Once in the IAM dashboard, click on Users from the left-hand menu. Next, click the Add User button. Enter a username for your new user, using a descriptive name. Select that Access Key Programmatic Access checkbox. Click Next, Permissions to proceed. You now have the option to set permissions. Choose Attach Existing Policies directly. Search for the policy named Amazon's 3 Read-Only Access and check the box next to it. If you need additional permissions, you can select other policies as well. Click Next, Tags to continue. Tags are optional, but you can add key value pairs for better identification. Once done, click Next, Review. Review the user details and permissions to ensure everything is correct. Click the Create User button to finalize the process. You will now see an Access Key ID and a secret access key. Store these credentials securely, as you will need them for authentication. Next, install the AWS command line interface on your local machine if you haven't already. Open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command AWS configure to set up your AWS credentials. When prompted, enter your access key ID and secret access key. Set your default region, such as US West 2, based on your needs. Next, set your default output format, you can choose JSON. Once configured, test your authentication by running a simple command. If successful, your authentication is working correctly. Now, you can use these credentials to access your internal dashboards securely. This process ensures that you can authenticate with AWS IAM efficiently for any web application or dashboard needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.